Netflix, there is around 700,000 hours watched. This is so much for 1 second, with 8 billion people living on the planet and so much people getting addicted to the internet. Literally 3.8 million Google searches, 4 million videos viewed on YouTube. This is the sad reality. Third, we're going to talk about the impact on our mental health, the risk factors. Impact on mental health. Excessive use by gaming or being on the internet can lead to social isolation, and also you will neglect your responsibilities. You're going to distance yourself away from the real society. You might ask, what is the addiction rate for internet and gaming? If you are on the internet for more than 38 hours a week, then you are addicted, which this means that every single day, more than 4 hours and 14 minutes being on the internet. Now here, we have 9 symptoms. If you have 1 or 2 of these symptoms, that means you're addicted to the internet. So, first, waste of time. You waste your time. You're scrolling on. Russia declared war on Ukraine. Okay. Also, poor sleep. You cannot manage your time. You cannot you're just wasting your time. You're like, should I sleep or scroll on TikTok? Man, I'm gonna scroll. Problems with vision. Walking. So this can happen. This is real. This is not for fun. This really happened. I've seen thousands of videos where people are minding their business. I mean, surfing on the internet, and they hit a pole, they hit a post, they hit a curb, they fall down, they break their knee. This is what happens.
And also, in here, we have prevention. How can we prevent ourselves to not be addicted to the internet? There's some ways now we're going to talk about. At the first, preventing gaming addiction involves setting limits on playtime. The first of all things that you have to do is to have a daily routine, a system for your life, to not be addicted with the internet. Or, if you're addicted to the internet, so you can do something according to a rule, according to a daily plan, you can do something. For example, the first thing is, it says limit your playtime. Do not do gaming or being on internet every time and everywhere. You have to know where you are going to do a game or when you are going to do the game.